Let's learn how we can expand a stroke to be its own shape in Affinity Publisher. So here I am in Affinity Publisher version 2.5. I got a shape with the color and the stroke. We got those two properties. One is for the fill color and one is for the stroke color. So we can modify it anytime because it's a vector shape. And we can also make it transparent, make it disappear. So I do it for the fill color because I just want this outside ring. In the stroke menu I can still adjust how thick it is, and now I want to modify it even further, so I'm going to turn the stroke, this line around, into being a regular vector shape. To do that I will head to Designer Persona. So that's the blue icon, and that will give me access to all of my vector tools. If it's not available, be sure you got your Affinity Designer installed on the same machine, alright? It should link together as long as they're both installed on the same computer. Okay, and then we can head to the top menu again, search for the layer section when you can find this option to expand stroke. And now this line became a regular shape. Take a look. It's a shape and we can add new nodes to it. We can modify existing nodes or even delete them. We can apply now additional stroke color around it because it's a shape, so we can apply a stroke around that shape. Okay, and the second example here, I got a line that I draw with the pen tool, but I also apply a pressure on it. So that's a handy way of making a certain shapes. You start with the line like that, and then you turn this shape that is still a line. Take a look, it's still a line. I can add nodes and it's kind of fall off. So that's actually nice. It's flexible, but at some point I need to turn it into a proper shape. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm still in the Designer Persona, so that's this blue logo. You need Affinity Designer to be able to use that, and then head to Layer, search for Expand Stroke, and you are done. You see all of the nodes for the shape now, and now you can make some very gentle changes to it. Be sure you got your Affinity Designer. This way you got more options for modifying shapes and vectors. So that's kind of unlock this whole persona with all of the vector tools needed. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.